Santa's not the only one who's busy during the holidays. To many, it's a time of gifts and family. To others, it's a time for exploitation. At this time of year, we always see a 30% jump in ransomware attacks. Why? It's a good question. I suspect it's to do with a few factors. Distracted staff, increased phishing attacks in amongst the irregular emails and shipping notifications, but mainly because of cyber incident response staff are away with their families, usually leaving the more junior staff behind to hold the fort. Are your most experienced senior staff off this holidays? In which case, do the remaining staff have all the playbooks and knowledge articles they will need? Do you know where your cyber resilience gaps are? And if you do, how to fill them? Make your New Year's resolution to strengthen your cyber response by partnering with Alcor's CIRM program to leverage your Cyber Resilience Force Multiplier. Contact us by email at information@alcortech.com.